It's so steep.
You gotta help me.
Yep. Hey, you mind moving my chair?
Do you need to do the foot straps?
Come again?
The foot straps?
I like we're going around.
Alright.
Yeah.
Right click. And then you'll take two left turns.
All the balls. Follow me.
Yeah, don't fall. Sorry. Yay! You're good, you passed. Yay!
Oh, it's
Woo!
been a process.
I've seen you in here a few times.
3 times.
Uh-huh.